First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Delightful spring day going for us here in southern Kentucky after a very chilly start. We had temperatures in some cases upper 20s to low 30s, but since then we've made a very nice recovery and lots of sunshine to boot. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. We're seeing a clean sweep and we've hit that 60-degree mark, which is exactly the same temperature that we had as a high temperature yesterday. So already here at 11 o'clock, it looks like we're going to surpass that very nicely with the southerly winds and the available sunshine. We're looking at low 70s before the day is over. Here's the way things look right now across the Mesonet network. Mostly upper 50s to the north, 58 Hardinsburg, 59 Calhoun. Then you start to see 60s. In fact, there's the real-time update just coming in. You saw some of those numbers change. 62 Scottsville, 59 in Franklin, 60 in Elkton, 60 in Munfordville, 57 Campbellsville, 56 Columbia, and it's 60 in Albany. Right now, winds are coming out of there's the update again, out of the southeast at say 15 to 20 miles per hour. That's the great thing about the Mesonet sites is all these weather stations give us real-time data so we can see how the weather is flowing and changing with time. And these southeasterly winds going to be breezy at times, but give us that very warm atmosphere that we've been looking for. It's finally spring, and here's another good sign. Hot Rods baseball 3 days away, Thursday, the opening day. And as you can see, they're prepping the outfield, the infield, getting ready there at Bowling Green Ballpark to make sure you're ready for some baseball in southern Kentucky. It's going to be maybe a bit rainy on Thursday. We'll see. We'll probably get the game in there. We'll break down the forecast as we get closer to Thursday. But between now and then, very spring-like 62. The current temperature reading in Bowling Green with a south wind coming at 6. And as you saw, some breezes at 10 to 15 miles per hour, but a very dry dew point at just 32, which means the atmosphere very dry at the surface. Even though we're seeing some high clouds, these are fair weather clouds for the most part as we're looking from Western's Downing University Center camera, 60 degrees on campus. Here's Greenville's HD weather cam in Muhlenberg County, 62 degrees as part of our AAA systems network. Franklin at 59, some of those high clouds after starting at 32 this morning. Glasgow is at 60 degrees after starting at 29 as your low temperature in Mammoth Cave National Park, seeing those high clouds and 60 degrees. Radar pretty quiet for now, but watch what happens right here in the Central Plains in the Missouri Valley. Some light rain showers showing up there. That's in advance of the system that will actually play a big role in our weather as we get into the middle part of the week. Clouds on the increase back to the west, thicker clouds staying well back to the west. 61 here. As you can see around us, 50s and 60s. The cold weather is off to the north and west of us. We're 15 degrees warmer right now than we were at midday yesterday. High pressure in control, but as it moves east, it will allow this southerly flow to kick in as it's kicking in right now. And out ahead of our system, there's a little piece of energy that will try to work in here late tonight, early tomorrow morning with increasing clouds and a chance there could be a little bit of light rain or sprinkle or two. Now, the front itself is not going to come all the way through Kentucky, but it's going to kind of retreat back to the north as a wave of low pressure builds down into Texas and Oklahoma. That's going to cause the front to retreat back to the north and take the moisture up with it. So tomorrow looks like a good day, and so does Tuesday night. Early into Wednesday and Wednesday afternoon, we'll begin to see those showers on the increase, and eventually as that slow-moving system pulls in, by Thursday we could be looking at some showers and thunderstorms here. Not really calling for severe weather at this point, but showers certainly possible. Mostly sunny, warmer, 72. Then for tonight, cloudy with a chance of sprinkles and the overnight low at 50. Not expecting a whole lot out of that system tonight. Early in the morning, some clouds, maybe some drizzle. Then partly sunny, 73, 75, breezy and warm on Wednesday. Showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night and kind of off and on during the day Thursday for 71 and then 73 Friday. The showers coming to an end with the passage of the front. And then we'll see a little bit cooler weather for Saturday and Sunday, but still not chilly. About seasonable for this time of the year in the low 60s. We are back with more Midday Live in just a minute.